You can help prevent high blood pressure by having a healthy lifestyle. This means eating a healthy diet. To help manage your blood pressure, you should limit the amount of sodium, salt that you eat, and increase the amount of potassium in your diet. It is also important to eat foods that are lower in fat, as well as plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. The DASH eating plan is an example of an eating plan that can help you to lower your blood pressure. Getting regular exercise. Exercise can help you maintain a healthy weight and lower your blood pressure. You should try to get moderate intensity aerobic exercise at least 2.5 hours per week, or vigorous intensity aerobic exercise for 1 hour and 15 minutes per week. Aerobic exercise such as brisk walking is any exercise in which your heart beats harder and you use more oxygen than usual. Being at a healthy weight, being overweight, or having obesity increases your risk for high blood pressure. Maintaining a healthy weight can help you control high blood pressure and reduce your risk for other health problems. Limiting alcohol. Drinking too much alcohol can raise your blood pressure. It also adds extra calories, which may cause weight gain. Men should have no more than 2 drinks per day, and women only 1. Not smoking. Cigarette smoking raises your blood pressure and puts you at higher risk for heart attack and stroke. If you do not smoke, do not start. If you do smoke, talk to your healthcare provider for help in finding the best way for you to quit. Managing stress. Learning how to relax and manage stress can improve your emotional and physical health and lower high blood pressure. Stress management techniques include exercising, listening to music, focusing on something calm or peaceful, and meditating. If you already have high blood pressure, it is important to prevent it from getting worse or causing complications. You should get regular medical care and follow your prescribed treatment plan. Your plan will include healthy lifestyle habit recommendations and possibly medicines.